Hey guys, welcome to the channel.
Let's start eating.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today is
Fast Food Friday. Yup.
And today we are having JERSEYMIKE. We haven't had this in a while, honey.
Minute, yeah.
Good choice, good choice. What do you have?
Today I got a Philly cheesesteak. I got green peppers, onion, tomatoes, cheese, mayonnaise. Yeah, mayonnaise. You know what things said. And bread.
And then he also have lettuce and tomato. He likes lettuce and tomato on his.
It's the same. You know me. It's the same.
Yeah. And then I have a what am I funny?
Chipotle chicken.
Yeah, chipotle
chicken. Yeah, chipotle chicken.
Chipotle chicken Philly cheesesteak.
Yeah, same thing.
Chipotle chicken steak.
Yeah.
Something. I have something.
Same thing, man.
So, as you guys know, it's Friday, so I don't do an outfit of the day.
Because we want to start eating. Friday is free. I give you a break on Friday.
Alright guys, we're gonna dig in, and I brought some 2-time spicy sauce.
Right, yeah.
Well, this is not a 2-time one, it's just regular spicy,
That
but
one
it tastes like it's gonna
And I'm sipping on some mix up homemade juice.
Homemade juice.
I'm feeling myself today, so I gotta go hard, you know? Gotta go with the lady drink. So I gotta go hard for the ladies. What's it called? Jamaica me happy.
Yeah, Jamaica me happy.
Yeah, see that? Sea Grims, you know what? I feel myself today, I'm going hard. Alright. Can I open more now?
Oh, you have 2 sandwich.
Alright, you start already.
It's really good, honey.
You start already.
It's really good. I gotta try my 2-time spicy though.
Don't start first, Eddie. Please, too early.
Don't leave me.
Don't leave me. My son just came in the room and said, "Where did I get this cup from?" I said, "You know, it's the cheapest water bottle, courtesy of Walmart." He really? You believe me?
We'll get there.
Chick-fil-A. I love sauce, you know that? Where the 2-time, mama? Where the 2-time?
That to me, he call me mama.
Oh, no, if my daddy here, I call her mama. Yeah, drop it right now. If my daddy here, I call you mama. She Bex, you know?
Bex.
You want to start doing Yeah, I'm greedy, man. I bite me, take piece, you want to bite all of my sandwich.
He calls our daughter mama. Well, we both do. We call her mama. Okay, honey? You taste it?
I'm gonna take one of them out first. Let me get a big bite.
Really? I don't want no big bite for you. You're not getting none.
Nah, look at this. Yeah. You want that pepper hot, you know?
Coffee bread. So you can... Wow, that's a...
You haven't give me nothing. You give me damn bread bites if you don't want to give me nothing meat. Yo! I'm gonna taste that if you give me the bread alone. You thought I want bread?
You love meat. I tell you about that.
If you have JERSEYMIKE where you at, please try it. Get the beard.
Definitely try it.
Nice and sharp. Take it off for sure. That's my lady drink. I'm feeling myself today. You want to take some?
The Chick-fil-A sauce on the sandwich is really good.
Someone say you want to drink up. Every time he says something, you want to take everything.
Oh my gosh.
Damn. First lady. Damn, I feel like I'm drunk, you know? Shit, I feel I'm drunk already and I just took one sip.
You worse than my sister.
So how's your Friday going? You know, ours is Fast Food Friday as always. You see her take, see? Yeah, see her taking my side, right? I'm taking my meat. Alright.
They don't see.
What y'all do for your Friday? You know our Fridays daily. Fast food, baby. Okay.
That's my love.
Look like you're gonna have to eat a piece of my sandwich because you move. Your sandwich, I go fast. You can take a piece of mine if you want.
That's so sweet.
Where's the it tastes good with Chick-fil-A sauce and thing, right?
Yeah.
Drop some more.
But I bet you if I had gotten a big one,
you wanna eat it?
no one damn it.
Let it bring piece. Gotta work tomorrow.
I should have got a big one then.
Alright, yeah. We have enough left over, man.
I should have
What?
I forgot what I was gonna say.
Should I what?
I forgot what I was gonna say.
Don't worry.
Seriously, I forgot. This is how it looks inside.
Yeah, are you gonna show them too now? Yeah, mine. As I can see her, huh? I'm not gonna show it because I don't want it to drop. If it drop, that means one of y'all want it. Yes, you. I know. So I'm not picking it up. Make my sandwich up and then cut the water, you know?
That does happen. How is it that Chick-fil-A sauce go with everything, yo?
Everything.
Don't forget, we're gonna go live at 5 o'clock today. So this video is gonna drop probably in the next 30 minutes.
Yeah.
So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't be late for the party. Don't be late. 5 o'clock.
this was a good choice, honey.
When we do our intro, who will be doing Let's Start Eating with us? Let me
I
see.
know.
Let me see
I
who
know
will
my
be
little
doing
cousin be doing it.
Let me see who will be doing it in the comment section. Yo. The amount of meat the people that put nice sandwich on come like they want to give me the whole thing. I fell for the sandwich today. It was something quick.
Good choice.
Where we live, guys, we got all the restaurant next to us.
Yeah.
Just like a 5-minute drive. Sometime man first day to walk.
Everything. Wow. Wow. Anything you can think of.
Everything. So 5 minutes. So we have a lot of choices.
This sandwich is really good, guys.
It really is. We got everything for Ridna? Crazy.
We made
What? We made
the Chick-fil-A, the JERSEYMIKE, the chicken sandwich. We actually got that by accident.
Oh yeah. And we know what we want, and we ordered the wrong thing.
Yeah.
And
And we was like,
good.
wow, this is good.
Family, look how much meat they put in this thing. My goodness.
Show them the man.
Yo, you want me sandwich dropping up? You know, say a bad mind. Drop, you want me sandwich drop? Watch out. See? So much in here. My sandwich, I love all kind of crap in here. I just love mine just saucy. Like the first lady. You want more piece? You want the next piece because you're pre-buy sandwich, you know? You didn't even give me the, let me taste the chicken and the thing.
I
Okay. You know, so I don't have money and I get no more then.
I did.
You getting?
You have two, I have one. But you taste it.
You give me bread like a me make bread.
You didn't taste it?
Bread me taste.
Two of that, no. Because my son's already done. By the time you bite, half of it's gone.
But I told you, you can get a piece of mine.
You want my sandwich?
Go on, you're sorry.
I'm almost done, but you know, so look, I said I'm still hungry.
That's why I said you can take a piece of mine. Well, you want me to cut a piece of back in case you want it?
Oh, you're so nice. I'm okay.
Okay.
The
voucher is over.
I can't.
You can't use it again? Expire.
I can't redeem?
No redeem. Corona time, no take backs. That's it. For real, we should talk about that. Y'all think it's fair that these stores not taking back nothing when you buy it? They're using Corona to their advantage.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah. I understand, but it's like...
Yeah, they're just like just overdoing it.
And then they use it to their advantage.
Yeah.
Like, oh, I can't take it back because of Corona. Oh, I can't do this because of Corona. And now when you see advertising on TV, it's, oh, this hotel is COVID-19 friendly. It's COVID-19 safe. Oh, Stanley Steamer, we get rid of COVID-19.
Yeah.
So it's like everybody's using COVID-19 to profit.
But the stores, them is... I bought some stuff the other day, I can't even return it. I'm so pissed off. And I even open it. And it's not even my fault.
Yeah.
But the big sign said, due to COVID-19, we're not taking no returns. COVID-19 is bigger than the what you call the people that would take out your money out of your tax, IRS. You told them like their brothers and sisters.
Rip off. You want IRS hear me out and try to come not give me my money.
Yeah, I said that. Figure our speech. And you don't give you money again.
Yeah, I get that too.
For real. They need to cut that check. For real. We ain't getting no more money. They're not cut one check down.
They made these sandwiches good. You drunk?
Yeah, man, I'm drunk, man.
He doesn't drink, so.
I'm drunk off my woman drink, man. How much percent alcohol in it? 3.2% alcohol. Yeah, man, the drunk man, Jamaican thing, man, drunk man.
My cousin came to stop by and he bought them 3.2% alcohol. I said, are you old enough to buy liquor? He was like, I'm 22. I'm like, oh shit.
22 already?
I said, wow. When you got that age?
First lady. I feel drunk for real, you know?
Time flies, man.
We're going 2 times.
Come on, I say every time you drop sauce on me, I use it.
Yeah. Yeah, you see that? You see what you just said? All right, now, you use it. Not me. True thing, man. I'm waiting to see what y'all doing for the Friday. I'm still waiting. And you didn't get back to me yet.
I know that like mother like daughter eats. They had a picnic.
I know.
That was good. I like that.
She beat me to the video. I'm gonna watch it. I was busy driving and she's watching it. But don't worry, like mother like daughter eats. I'm gonna watch it. You beat me today, first lady.
So you gotta drive, so.
Damn. You did good. Yeah, you even give me one piece of chicken. That's crazy.
I did.
You gave me the bread. You wanna look like a baker?
I gave it. Your mother?
Yeah, I went to that piece right there.
Oh, go ahead. Honey, I gave you the sandwich. I'm not my fault that you bite bread.
That bread you're putting on my side.
Guys, if I gave you a piece of sandwich and you bite only
This
bread,
what she did.
I overthought that.
This is what she did. Here. She eyed the meat and also.
No, I did not.
She eyed the meat and said, here. Here's the bread.
Honey, that's the reason why I bit off that piece of bread so you wouldn't eat bread. And you got this. You got this.
You know what I mean? What's it called? I got a big kahuna.
A big kahuna. They gotta put more salt though.
Yeah. It come like they ain't put no salt in it.
Yeah.
Wait till you know I'm
But
hungry.
the 2 times spicy and the
Yeah.
Chick-fil-A sauce is hitting it, so.
Hitting. I love Fast Food Fridays. But I like this Friday. I'm sad.
That gonna work?
Yeah. And I worked last night too. Family. I had to go make First Lady money. First Lady said she don't want the broke guy. But I step up my game. Right, First Lady? Right, when I tell you take off, you don't have to go work. I have to pay me for the day.
That's right. Oh God.
You full? You full?
I'm full not eat this. I wonder if anybody else do that. Like any other couple. Pay
their wife to stay home.
To stay home.
Can't do it no more. First, they were broke, no. We don't have that money. Broke.
Oh my gosh, that was deep freaking delicious.
That was good, right? I know you're full. You could have ate. You think you could have ate a whole one? Like 1.5 though.
I think this is perfect for me.
Look, guys. First lady finished before me. Woo! First lady.
But that doesn't mean I don't want my stomach to get big.
No, your stomach doesn't get bigger. Cause you walk, we exercise regular.
I mean,
well,
big in the sense of it can hold
hold more food.
Hold more food. I don't want that.
And when you can find out, you try next piece.
I'm full. I don't think I could eat another piece anyway.
First lady, you finished before me today. Oh my gosh.
The sandwich is really good.
Wow. That was good. I was gonna put a little bit more sauce, but salt. But the
excuse me.
The thing covered
and the Chick-fil-A really made up for it. Oh, if you guys have TikTok, follow us on TikTok.
Yeah.
TikTok. If I say it wrong, my son's gonna get me. At the Greedy Couple.
My son is a big TikToker, famous, and he don't want to give us none of his subscribers. Big boy.
Also follow us on Instagram at The Greedy Couple. I created an account so it can be separate. So follow us on Instagram, The Greedy Couple. Follow us on TikTok, The Greedy Couple. That's it.
Follow me on her Instagram. Hers is mine's. Don't forget, as always, like. We share the food with y'all today. As always, comment and subscribe.
Oh, I gotta tell you. Somebody said in the comment that we don't give them none of the food.
Don't do that, cause I always share my food sometime. You know, sometimes I agree.
A long time I
share some food with them, but I'm gonna share.
Next time,
don't worry. I'm gonna share some with y'all.
I'm sorry, did I cut you off?
No. So, appreciate y'all as always. We love y'all. 5 o'clock. Don't be late, cause if you're late, you're gonna miss it. First, do your thing.
I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time for another mukbang.
Bye. You know something drunk? Drunk, you know.